Hello, dear subscribers. Today we are making a dog out of plasticine. We'll need one of these balls of plasticine. This is enough for both paws and tail, not to mention the head. Color plasticine does not play a role. Send photos your plasticine dogs. Do not forget to wet your fingers for the convenience of working with the material, so that it does not stick and does not reach out strongly for your fingers. First we plan the general contours of the body, neck and head of our pet. After the contours have appeared, we will just sculpt the paws dogs. Form plasticine fore and hind limbs. So, it's easier to do than to make them separately, and then attach them to the body and animal. Next, it is necessary to improve the shape of the body and paws and the head on the neck again and again dogs. Now you can outline the tail. If you want, make it long. At my the dog will have a funny short tail. After that, you need a little straighten her back, hind legs and smooth everything around the tail. But the contours of course still need to be clarified, that is, corrected. It was the turn of the ears and the shape of the muzzle. We do it at the last cue. Do not forget to continue to iron out the shape of the dog with your fingers. Let her have a smooth short coat. To complete our work, we must once again carefully to inspect the dog, whether there are any irregularities, whether everything is in place, whether it is broken the tail. Iron out the head, paws, neck and tail. Now our dog is ready. Send photos your dog modeling options. And what do you want to learn to sculpt? I will be happy to help you.